I would have never thought that making a simple grassy tileset could be so difficult and energy draining. For anyone that doesn't know, I'm Cakez and I'm making a tower defense game in C++, and in order to design levels I had created a grassy tileset. Inspired by Stardew Valley, it was my first tileset ever created, and I've kept it until this day, because in my opinion it looks good, but in the viewer's opinion, it doesn't. Every time I create a picture or a thumbnail, people don't click on it, and I can only show my game on the thumbnail, and my clickbait level is just not high enough. So I had to make a decision. I could ignore the problem and focus on gameplay, or I could go for the cloud. Clicks, views, subscribers, money. And of course I went for the money, because I want to sell my game and don't die. That would be great. Being an indie developer without a job was not the smartest decision, but I love doing it. And so I need to support myself. And I want my game to be successful. I love it very much. It's dear to me. Been working on it for over a year, and I love every day. Some days are fucking tough. Other days, not so much. That day, when I decided to rework my tileset, not a good day. One of the tough ones. But in all seriousness, not only the cloud was the problem. If you look critically at the tileset or of any image you can find, there are a few key problems. First of all, my game is very dark. I like the dark setting because I'm inspired by Darkest Dungeon, but that adds to the problem. On top of that, the background is good, but it's noisy. When you open the game, it looks different than on pictures. On pictures, it's very difficult to see what's going on. Then you add on top of that effects that pollute the picture even more. And on top of that, I created the oranges that don't look cool enough yet. And this all adds to a noisy soup that doesn't taste very well. So there definitely was need for change. So I got very sad and decided to rework my tileset. And that looked like this. I started working on the tileset. I got sad. Twitch chat tried to make me happy. I continued a bit, got sad again, started staring at the wall. Twitch chat tried to make me happy, and I continued. Fast forward a couple of hours. And I had created like basically nothing, but I wanted to see how it looks in game, and nothing. It didn't look very well. But I had no choice. I thought that I needed to give it a try, even though I didn't know if it would look good. And in order to help me with the creation of the tileset, I created a tile layer. In case you don't know what that is, you go over to Layer, New, and Tile Map Layer. This one allows you to create and place tiles at the same time. So you could, for example, place a road over here, make it look nice and cool, have your tiles on the right, and then change the road, make that look pretty, and the tiles would just update. There are no moving tiles shenanigans anymore, you just change the tiles, and that is cool. So yeah, I did that, tried to look in game again, and I wasn't impressed. But viewers kept telling me, oh, no, it looks good, dude, you just gotta keep trying. So I was like, okay, I gotta keep trying, but I turned off the stream, took a small break, cleared my mind, stopped thinking about grass, went out, touched some grass, and came back. Once I came back to it, I had a clear mind, and so I thought it would be best to work on the road, because I thought it was easier. And that was a great decision, because I was able to create a very good looking road real fast. That motivated me, and so I started working on that dumb grass. Because for me it felt like it was impossible after a bit of trial and error, having like a couple of terrible pieces, but not giving up. I slowly drew a couple of grass shapes here and there, put a bunch of them on the side. And 1 hour, 2 hours later, I had a decent looking piece of grass and a road. And that's an achievement. I think I have a talent for pixel art. Or I just enjoy it a lot. I don't know. It calms me down. I think I'm lucky. Or maybe not. Could get a job and then pay someone to make it for me. Might be faster. Could focus more on gameplay programming instead of cloud. But cloud is good. That was all I did for the night. Actually, I also reworked my torch for fun. Tying into the I think I like pixel art theory. Next day wasn't much going on. I just continued on the tileset. I had drawn a lot the day before, so I decided to do a bunch of copy-paste Rhinos. Left, right and center. Drew a couple of leaves here and there. And then after about 3 hours, it wasn't that fast, I was finished. Or it wasn't 100%, but it was finished enough that I could finally look at it in game. And this is the result. That's how it looked. I'll just show my impression. Actually not terrible. Doesn't look too shabby.
Nice grass, bro.
Hey, it looks fucking good. What did I just create?
Grass. Touch some grass.
Yeah. Touch these nuts yourself. I'm happy.
Not gonna lie, it looks a lot better.
It does. It looks cleaner. Huh, didn't think it would look that good. So, I got motivated and finished the tile set. Took another evening, corrected the terrible tiles, made it a bit prettier, and this is the final result. Very good. Very, very good. Now, why am I making this video? I have absolutely no idea. I thought I'd share my thoughts with you guys, get more comfortable on YouTube, because I still feel like cringe when recording these videos. I actually like doing these YouTube videos. I like sharing my content. If I don't put it on YouTube, it's gonna die on Twitch. Sad. But yeah, blah 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 blah. Hope you liked the video. If you did, you know what to do, right? You smash that like button and you subscribe, okay? And then when I make a new video, you watch that too. That way you can support me. Smiley face. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Peace. If you like what I do, consider tuning into my Twitch. I stream at 10 a.m. Central Eastern Time, which is 1 a.m. Pacific Daytime. I also want to thank all my Patreons who are supporting me on this journey. Sule, Daniel Scobo, Techbox North, Schubtor, Michael Phillips, Felix F, and Mio the writer. Thank you very much for supporting me. As a thank you of mine, Patreons get access to the source code of the game, and occasionally I post pixel art that can be used for free.